Hi everyone, we're Sanctuary Islands.
Yes.
And we've got a couple of things to unbox today to show you guys. So hopefully, if you're a hardcore Fallout fan like I am, you would enjoy these two things. And the first one is a Fallout Fusion Core, which is featured in pretty much every single game.
As well.
And a Holotape as well. So if you have a look, that's basically what that says there, Fusion Core. And if you look on there, you've got your Holotape. So first of all, I'm sure we'll get stuck into the Fusion Core first, because that's the most exciting part. So let's open it up and see what it looks like.
Oh yeah, one more thing. There's gonna be more unboxing videos as well, like this. But they're gonna take a while to come in. So yeah. Here's the Fusion Core.
Wow, that looks pretty awesome, eh?
There's the stand.
I guess that's the charger, eh? Which, unfortunately, as everyone knows in Fallout, there is no chargers. You can farm a Fusion Core, but you can't really recharge it, unfortunately. So the best thing is obviously to find new ones out in the wasteland.
Yeah, so here is the Fusion Core.
Looks pretty cool, I reckon. I mean, it looks pretty close to the what's in the game.
Oh yeah, and if you want to buy this, it is limited edition.
Which is pretty cool, I reckon.
So
at least we don't have to put that one together. The other one's already done. So we'll just move on to the next one.
Oh yeah, and just so you know, there's gonna be more packages arriving this month.
Stay tuned, people.
Yeah.
Okay, so the Holotape right there. We'll start getting into that one. So basically, it's just a little box. Comes with a few bits and pieces. There is a little bit of assembly that's required, but that's okay. It should be straightforward. You can't really get this one messed up. Pretty much only 4 things that come together. A few screws that you got to put in, and the screwdrivers that come with it as well. So what we'll do is we'll start putting that one together and unbox everything. Otherwise, so we can see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at this. This actually comes with the name Vault-Tec on it. See the screwdriver there? Vault-Tec. And on the back, comes with a symbol. See? Pretty cool, eh? Of course, there's one Phillips head and one flat head. So we'll have to use the Phillips head to put these screws in.
Oh yeah, and another thing, these Holotape and Fusion Core will be in one of our videos, which is coming tomorrow, so stay tuned.
That's right, but it may or may not appear in tomorrow's video. We'll see.
It could appear Monday.
Yeah, it could appear at some stage. Right, so basically I've put it together as you can see, and put the screws in. Pretty straightforward. Basically get screwed the right way, and then screw it in. And of course the screw keeps it together, which is fantastic. Otherwise it's going to fall apart in your hand, and that's pretty pointless. So once you've got the first screw in there, you can put the second screw in. Of course, they're small screws, so if you've got big hands like me, it's pretty hard to put the screws in there, but you'll get there. So basically, there's instructions here in this little pouch. If I can get my fingers on it, it's a bit hard. Right, now, this one's a Nuka-Cola Holotape, so just show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, and on the back, you've got the instructions on how to assemble it. And of course, pretty straightforward, so you really don't need the instructions. But the only thing I need it for is just to know where this goes, this bit here. So apparently this bit goes on the back of this, which is this part here. And I guess that's like your, when you want to record on it or not record on it, like the old floppy drive days, that's a spare screw in case you lose one. So basically we'll clip this on, right, like so.
And there you have it. That's
and there you have it.
Holotape.
So what we've basically got here today, guys, is we've got our Fusion Core and we've got a Holotape. The Holotape is of course the Nuka-Cola one, or the Nuka-Tapper, sorry. And that's it.
Now this unboxing video is just to show you what we're going to use.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing video of a Fusion Core and a Holotape. And please drop a like and leave a comment. Let us know how we're going. Because we really need to see how we're going. And then if we need to change things up or shake things up a bit, we certainly can. But I hope you're enjoying our video so far. And yeah, once again, we're Sanctuary Islands, and we'll talk to you later.
And hope to see you in another unboxing video, which is coming around this month.
Yes. So we'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.